Hello guys, I'm here at the have dogs area to cook a little dirty kitchen. I already done feeding the dogs and I just starting make fire for the next round this afternoon for the doggy food again. See the fire. A very nice wood that we bought and my neighbor. That's Marita's mother-in-law. So look at our firewood here, guys. So many really. It's good for a quiet. It is good for I think 2 months. 2 months supply firewood. So take a look, guys. See our firewood. Big bundle. 100 pieces inside the bundle, and it's only 50 pesos. So they give us really that's my Mari. They give us a big discount, but we give them to a little bit so they can make money too. So very nice really, the wood that we bought the last time that we bought here. It's so ugly really, guys, but this is still a firewood, and some are wet, so I can't really cook properly. I always stay very long time here to start the fire, so I'll just set it there for the meantime. I make it dry, so I separate that one there. Very some are wet, so good thing that we found somebody here who gonna make a firewood. So many, guys. Nice big bundle. We have so many wood here, but needs to somebody to cut. I can't really cut anymore. It's too much work for me. Philip too. So that is why we're just buying a firewood, even if we have so many that needs to be cut here into small pieces. But we're gonna make a lot of time to do that now that it is I don't know if it's rainy days. So good thing that we bought this one before the rain. If not, we don't have a firewood. Everything's wet. So I still have here one bundle, big bundle too. We pick up 9 bundles. So I am so happy. We have a lot of firewood now. And so nice to cook a lot of food. Very nice. Very dry too. So many really inside. Marites told me that this is one bundle 100 pieces, too much. So thank you for that. So bye, guys. I just wanted to show you the firewood that we bought, because I appreciate really. Very dry. No need to worry. And it is clean too, and that is not a big not thick wood, displayed into half. So it's easy to burn. So hard to burn if there is a big locust, the one that we bought on the highway. That's a big pieces. Oh, see that? And very hard to start the fire. So Philip said we're gonna split that, but if we're gonna split takes time. Just so nice, really. Look at the fire here.